Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Most common, the following phenomenon is responsible for antibiotic resistance in bacteria due to slime formation. Biofilm formation is the main phenomenon of antibiotic resistance. Actually, bacteria will form a live active complex communities which are called as biofilms. These biofilms are actually a well organized community of the bacteria, and this will get adherent to the extracellular slime layer. It will get adherent to the extracellular slime layer and it will form a biofilm. So it is difficult for antibiotics to go through this biofilm. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.